must get on this. This just gets me right where I love it. See, the Logos and this great fountain of spirit, which had no beginning or no end, it was God. This great spirit began in form in that creation.
Okay.
And the Logos that went out from, it was the Son of God. It was the only visible form that the Spirit had. It was a theophany. A theo means God. Phany means body. So it was a godly body. That is not another person. He never created another person, or he never created himself.
Okay. Nagkala ko brother ng ito masabat na Pastor Jan.
Gusto ko tapusan. Sige.
Okay na pa ako na.
And the body was like a man.
No question about it. Ang question ko na pagkakot Pastor is God who is a spirit created the Logos.
Yeah.
Actually, ang Logos is not God.
Yeah.
Is that the understanding the prophet that the Logos is not God?
So,
I will take the scripture, brother. John 1:3, I think.
Okay.
It says here, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. And the Word, which is the Logos, isn't the Word the Logos?
Yeah. The Word, because ang manifestation, muna siya gano'n. Ang Diyos hindi makita.
Okay, sabi Pastor.
I-specify mo ang Logos, kung isiparan mo siya, it's not another person, Logos. So sa ang atungag Diyos, nagsuklog na siya sa Word, sa body, it was also called the Logos. God in a body. May body na siya. That is why, kung i-question mo ko, nanood nga ang Logos, Diyos, kung wala pa siya, in the beginning, kailangan i-specify na ito, nga ang Diyos, wala pa siya sa body, ang ato ang Logos, it was created. So sa atong Diyos nga hindi makita, nagsuklog na siya sa body, it was called also a Logos or the Son. It was a God. Diyos na siya na ara sa sila na body. It was called the theophany. But kung question mo ang Logos, before wala pa siya ma-create, or wala pa siya nagsuklog ang Diyos sa sila na body, it was a created body. So it was called the Logos, it was the Word. That's why sa mungkin silindra ang John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word. That's why it was in that all, doon ka nga nag-separate, in Expedia Verbal the Logos that went out from that, the Word, the Logos. Kung kita mo, separate siya. And the Word was with God, nagsukulong na sa body, then that Word was God. That's why atong Diyos, may body na siya, kag atong body, atong dito siya, it was God in that form. Ito wag na theophany.
Okay. Napakuha mo nga explanation, Pastor Ana. Ang ako lang the problem is, if that is the understanding of the scripture and the message of the prophet, then may punggo kita dara nagsiling sa nga nag-create. Okay, number one, nagsiling ka ang Logos is not God. For me, it is contrary to John 1:3, because the word said, the scripture says, and the Word was God.
Okay.
The Word is God.
Yeah.
The Word is God.
Yes, that is right.
So the Logos is God,
Yeah.
because the Word is the Logos. So ang akong understanding mo, i-share ko lang mo kung ang pag-focus sa propeta is, I think he did not use the word created, the Logos. The word he used is immorphe. God, the great spirit, nag-change some form. The word is all of God. That is my on the this is a conference actually, so I don't know kung paano tayo taking or i-reconcile ito na understanding of the message, the prophet and the scripture. And my second question ko lang is, naghampal ka magiging na when in the beginning, I understand there are three beginnings in the Bible, Genesis 1:1, John 1:1, and in the Revelation chapter 3, I think was in the beginning of the creation of man. So, in the beginning, nung God created man, nagsabi niya, let us create man in our image. In our image. And you said that God was talking to the angels.
Yes.
My question is, are angels in the image of God?
Okay.
Kahit pag siningon, let us create, pag sina-ask, ang mo siningon, there are more than one persons there, di ba? Kahit i-ask mo, pag siningon i-ask, nagsiling ang angels.
Si Brother Bradamis mo nagsiling,
Yes.
ang import niya, angels. So, to make it, parang i-support na to ni si Brother Branham, mag-inchakto siya sa stand niya.
Okay, correct.
Tama? Nga, itong mga angels, they are in the image of God. Yes. Why? Because when He created them, they are in Japanese. They are spirit also, but they have a theophanies. Mga angels, may theophanies. They had a body. That's why He created those angels. That's why ang mga kasiling ka, it was in the image of God. In that form.
Follow up na sa question, Pastor. Hindi ayahan kita, the question is, hindi ayahan ko, if that is our understanding, that angels are in the image of God, if we read Hebrews chapter 1, would it not be contrary to the scripture? Because in Hebrews chapter 1, it does not say that in create young Son, the Son, the Spirit is the Logos, in the image of the angels, and the angels in the image of God. They are two different angels. Angels and theophanies are I think, they are different beings. Theophanies are sons. They are not angels. Angels are not sons. Theophanies are sons, but angels are not.
Okay.
And of which of the angels he said?
And of the angels, He saith, who maketh His angels spirits.
Spirits being.
Okay, spirits. So, si Brother Branham, when we talk about spirits, ang scripture na kasiling sa Peter, souls in prison. But ang message of Branham, spirits in prison. Tama?
Spirit in prison.
Pero sa scripture,
Souls that are in prison.
soul that are in prison. Pero sa scripture, spirits in prison. Ang scripture na sa spirit in prison. But si Brother Branham, ang message niya, soul in prison. So kung tanawin mo, paano ina siya? So when He created spirits, He created a soul. Tama? So hindi man pwede na soul lang siya. Wala siya sa spirito, wala siya sa body. So hindi pwede ulagay siya. That's why may ara siya body. Pag-create ka sa angels, hindi pwede spirito lang. Wala body. Paano siya magbisita dito sa kay si Gabriel, si Michael?
Yeah.
So kung wala siya body, how come? O hindi siya makita hindi siya makita. Tama? Nag-visit siya eh.
Okay.
So may harap siya gani, si Berman naman sila all angels are made.
Okay.
Tama? Paano ka makasiling na kung made sila, kung wala sila? Paano magkasiling si Berman naman na ang mga angels made? Wala angels na female.
Ang angels pala na ginambal na may mga pakpakula. Si Gabriel or si Gabriel and Michael.
Wala ko kakita ba?
Do they have wings?
Well, wings, may wings. Meron angels na walang wings, may angels siguro na may wings.
So lang ako na nagsasabi.
Okay.
Kita mo sa Hebrews chapter 1. hindi pa.
So,
sige ba naman, it should run smoothly.
nalipat ako sa ibang yung quotation ni my brother, kaya hindi siya mga angels, chokalis na siya, ano yung chokalis?
Okay.
They have that.
Sorry.
Hindi pwede yung lang sila.
Thank you, brother, for entertaining my questions.
And also sa dito magsaling ka, isabat ko kanina na ang theophany, it was not a God. Because I am referring to sa Edward na before siya nagkakaroon sa daddy. That's why